Welcome again, my dear students of class 10, and today video will provide you the structure of excretory system of human. My dear students, as far as the morphological structure of excretory system of human is concerned, if you see the diagram, and the diagram that is showing veins. So this is the renal vein, and this renal vein along with the renal artery, that is inserted into the pair of kidneys. These two colors are showing the pair of arteries and veins, and these pairs are for the proper blood supply into the kidney, and there are a pair of kidneys. On the both sides, on the right side and on the left side. So right side, similarly, this is the renal artery that is get inserted on the other side of the kidney, and this kidney is of bean shaped. This is of bean shaped, and it constitutes the structure of excretory system in human, and these veins and arteries get inserted into the both kidneys to form the unit of kidneys inside it. My dear students, these both kidneys are connected at a point, and that point is called ureter. So this is ureter, which is connected with the both this ureter connected with the urinary bladder. So this is the urinary bladder, what you are looking here. This is the urinary bladder. Dear student, this is the complete structure of the excretory system of human, which is having renal artery, renal vein, kidney, ureter, and urinary bladder. This is urethra. This is called urethra. My dear students, you are looking the diagrammatic representation of the excretory system of human, which is having a pair of kidneys on the both right side and left side. The left side kidney is little bit situated in upper position, while the right side kidney that is situated in the little bit lower position, and both connected with the renal artery and renal vein, that is for the purpose of the blood collection and blood supply to both the kidneys. Both the kidneys are connected with the urinary bladder, which is open through urethra. Urethra for the purpose of excreting the nitrogenous waste. So, my dear students, as you know about the waste material that has to be excreted from the human body, and that excreted materials are carbon dioxide, excess water, and nitrogenous waste, which are produced due to the metabolic activities of the human body, as well as the breakdown of the protein molecules inside the body. So, my dear students, this is the morphological structure. A pair of kidneys, two arterial veins, renal artery, renal veins, a pair of ureter, they both connected with the urinary bladder, that is the collecting organ of the urine. This is the collecting organ of the urine. This is urine. And my dear student, in human body, urea, uric acid and urine is the excretory material. Urea produced due to the metabolic activities in the body, which get converted into the uric acid during the blood transport, and in the form of urine along with the water, excess water, it gets excreted from the urethra, which is collected into the urinary bladder. My dear students, if you see the internal structure of a kidney, if you see the internal structure of a kidney, you will find that there are small units. There are small units and these small units are called small units like this. These are the small brush-like bunches, and these brush-like bunches are having the small structures. These small structures are called nephron. These small structures are called nephron, which are the units of the kidney. Inside the kidney, there are several kidneys working as the filtrating organ, filtrating part, and these are the unit structure of the kidney where filtration takes place, filtration of blood takes place. So, dear students, these are the nephrons. My dear students, morphological structure shows that a pair of kidney, renal vein, renal artery, urinary bladder as well as urethra, which is for the purpose of the excretion of nitrogenous waste. If you go through the internal structure of a kidney, you will find that there are bunches of the small units, and these small units are called nephron. Each nephron is having different structures, and when you go to the anatomical structure as well as the physiology of this kidney, you will find the complete structure of this nephron, and this kidney gets supplied with the renal artery and renal vein, urinary bladder, which is connected with the ureter. So this is the internal anatomical structure of the single kidney. English breathing. And the physiological process of the filtration of the blood inside this kidney is called excretion. Means the elimination of nitrogenous waste by the excretory organ, by the excretory system, is called excretion in human. Excretion takes place by sweating also. Excretion takes place by the gaseous system in the lung, which excrete carbon dioxide from the body. These are the excretory material excreted from the different parts of the body. And inside the body, this is the important organ, which is called kidney. This is the internal view of kidney. This is the internal view of kidney. So dear students, let us see the physiological aspect of this structure. Blood, deoxygenated blood comes into the kidney. Oxygenated blood also comes into the kidney. Oxygenated blood comes into the kidney, and deoxygenated blood that going through this renal vein, and oxygenated blood that is coming inside the kidney through the renal artery. Renal artery supply the blood, oxygenated blood into the kidney, while renal vein collect the deoxygenated blood from the kidney going to the lungs for the oxygenation of blood. Dear students, this incoming blood is fully supplied into these units of the kidney, that is nephron, and filtration of the pure blood takes place inside the kidney, inside the unit, inside the nephrons. And later on, when you see the internal structure of each nephron, then you will be able to understand the whole physiology of the excretion in human. So my dear students, in the next video, you will be able to see the internal structure of the nephron and complete physiology of the excretion in the human. Thank you very much for watching this video.